Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving the camera permission and choosing the rear lens because it focuses better. Once done, steady the device. Use a tripod or lock your elbows to reduce blur. Make sure the QR code is well lit and free from glare. If necessary, tilt the code slightly. Move the camera until the code fills about 30–60% of the frame so the scanner can detect patterns accurately. These steps speed up recognition and prevent false reads. Now position the QR code in the center of the screen and adjust distance, typically 4 inches to 2 feet depending on camera resolution. You want the dark squares and light background to show clear contrast. If autofocus hunts, tap the spot on screen where the code appears to force focus. This helps the scanner read tiny modules. Keep the camera steady for a second after focus, and if a prompt appears, read it before tapping. This reduces misread. Once the camera detects the QR, you'll see a notification or on-screen link. Tap it to open the website, contact, or action. Make sure you confirm any prompts like opening a browser or adding a contact to complete the task. If the camera doesn't respond, enable QR scanning in camera settings or use a dedicated QR app. And if you still fail, clean the lens, boost lighting, or present a sharper, larger code. These fixes resolve most scanning issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.